Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan Jarvis. I'm a mom, a wife, and I am an Etsy shop owner of 6.5 years. I've done $1.3 million in revenue on Etsy. I also sell on Shopify and Amazon, and my whole background in education is in e-commerce and business. So with me, you're really going to get the business perspective. I do $300,000 to $400,000 in sales a year on Etsy, and a key in doing that is having some really high revenue sales. Every week I have at least one sale that's over $1,000. A lot of them are close to $1,000. And when you build a shop like that and you build a product mix that fosters that, it's a lot easier to get your monthly sales up to that $30,000 to $40,000 a month level. So today I'm going to talk to you about one order, $2,290, two products that I sell to explode my Etsy shop sales. I have a lot of sales that are in that range. There are quite a few common threads between a lot of these high dollar sales. Today, I'm going to talk to you about two of these threads so that you can kind of look at your shop and see what opportunities there might be to utilize my strategies for yourself. So here on the screen, I'm going to show some examples of, single sale orders. These are actually all custom order listings that I put together for specific customers who were buying, a lot of one item. So let's jump into it. The first product is finished products that are for commercial clients. This is what that $2,290 order was for. It was one item. It was about 2,000 pieces of it. And this is an example of an item that is for a commercial client or another business. The reason why this is a great customer to go after is because these people have big budgets. They have budgets to work with. Even if they're not big, they're budgets. That's money set aside for a purpose. And if your product can be the solution and meet that purpose for them, you will get the sale. Another thing that I really love about this type of customer is that oftentimes the person making the purchase is doing so with money that is not their own personal money, and therefore it is a much less emotional purchasing decision. They're simply trying to find the best solution for their problem. And it's a lot easier for them to spend a lot of money or make a big purchase with money that's not their own. So money that is the company's, maybe a company card or something like that. So the key to getting these sales is being able to provide consistent results, clear, frequent communication to this type of customer, to be able to deliver on time, and to offer elements of customization if that is requested. If you can do all of those things, they will likely choose you. Another thing about this type of customer is that they often reach out to at least 3 to 4 different shops when they are getting quotes for this type of solution they're looking for. And oftentimes the early bird gets the worm. So by this, I mean that the first shop or the second shop to respond will oftentimes get the sale. Speed and accuracy is very essential. Also, your reviews and your track record matter to these people. If they're investing thousands of dollars in something, a solution, right, for a business, spending the business money on this, they don't want to think that they're buying it from some unprofessional kind of sketchy situation, someone who is a garage full of cats and they're putting things together and it's a big disaster zone, right? They want to think they're buying it from a professional business. You got to come across as professional here if you want to attract this type of client. Your customer service really matters to this type of person. Your ability to exceed expectations also matters, but I love this type of customer because they oftentimes offer repeat business. They will oftentimes use you for future events and occasions. Some great clients that I've worked with have been people buying finished products for Broadway. I've worked with some famous interior designers who've designed things for, the Real Housewives of Orange County, for big penthouses in Manhattan. Yes, I like to look up the address of where I'm shipping things to and see kind of what the situation is. I've also done things for boohoo.com. I've done things for Uber. I've done things for Skady Swimwear. I've done things for Rosé Day LA. It's an event. I've also done things for MLM conferences and events. So how do you find these customers? You might be thinking, wow, that's amazing, but how do I find these people? My Instagram and Facebook strategies will lead you to this type of customer. Yeah, sure, sometimes they will find you, but you can also find them. The second type of product that I love selling to explode my Etsy sales is a supply product for event planners or businesses that are working with top dollar event planners. This person also has a budget to work with. Oftentimes it's a big budget. This person needs specific supplies that are hard to find. They oftentimes need a high volume of these supplies, and they will oftentimes purchase extra just in case. One of my biggest single item sales was that $2,290 sale, and that was a supply product that was going to one person. And remember, when they're doing this, you do not want them to select quantity 1,000 of this item. You're not going to get 1,000 sales from them doing that. You want to create a custom listing for this person so that you are charged one transaction fee. Outside of these two, there are likely about 4 to 5 other types of products or customers that I sell to that are really high dollar sales, and they regularly buy over $1,000 every time that they order. When you have orders every week that are over $1,000, it's a lot easier to get to that $30,000 to $40,000 a month level. If you need help, let me know. I have my course, Multi-Six-Figure Etsy Blueprint, that is open, and we jump into these strategies right away in Module 2, where we're choosing a profitable customer and a profitable product mix to serve them. So if you need help, I'd love to talk to you. You can find me on Instagram at Dylan Jarrus. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you back here for another video in a few days.